No, he cleaned a window better than John Noea.
You alright? You alright?
Yeah. God, I didn't see that. I thought it was open.
Oh my gosh.
Be careful.
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. It's too clean.
Oh my gosh.
Just leave it.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, be careful. Oh gosh, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I thought the door was open there.
Oh, be careful. Oh my gosh.
There is the Pizza Boys landmark. See the nose, chin, now everything.